Hi everyone. Today we are going to see noun and its types in our class 1. What is a noun? A noun is a word that functions as the name of some specific things or set of things such as living creatures, objects, places, actions, qualities, state of existence or ideas. என்ன அர்த்தம்னா ஒரு நவுன்னா என்னதுன்னா அதோட வேலை என்னதுன்னா it is going to tell you about some specific things or set of things, maybe living creatures, objects இருக்கலாம், non living things இருக்கலாம், places ஓட ocean, like I mean for example city, common place. Okay, ஆக்ஷன்ஸாக இருக்கலாம், குவாலிட்டிஸாக இருக்கலாம், காமனாக இருக்கும் எல்லாமே. ஓகே, ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆர் ஐடியாஸ். ஓகே, now what are the types of nouns? The different types of nouns are concrete noun, abstract noun, countable and uncountable nouns, collective nouns, compound nouns, possessive nouns, regular plural nouns and irregular plural nouns. Today we are going to see in our class 1, we are going to see the concrete noun, under which the common nouns and the proper nouns come. Okay, so we are going to see only this today. What is a concrete noun? Concrete, the very word tells you what is the meaning of it. Okay, the concrete noun is a noun that can be identified through one of the 5 senses, that is taste, touch, sight, hearing or smell. So concrete noun ங்கிறது நம்மளோட 5 senses இருக்கு இல்லையா, that is taste, touch, sight, hearing and smell. இதனால நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். So that is what is a concrete noun. Okay, examples of concrete noun: spoon, ship, smile, snowman, surgeon, scissors, table, toss, truck, train, taxi, trousers, uncle, umbrella, vest, violin, villa, vase, vehicle, wallet, wrist, water, whale, waiter, wheelchair, xylophone, zebra and zoo. Okay, so these are all the concrete nouns, examples of concrete nouns. Next, concrete noun is again, as I have told you earlier, concrete noun is again divided into that they are common nouns and proper nouns. The very word common and the very word proper tells you what it means. Okay, so now let's see the definitions of common noun and proper noun. What is a common noun? First we are going to see the definition of common noun. A common noun is a generic name of a person, place or thing in a class or group. Unlike proper nouns, a common noun is not capitalized unless it either begins with sentence or appears in a title. Usually it will be quite obvious if a specific person, place or a thing is being named. So common noun என்ன அர்த்தம்னா, it's a general person, general இருக்கும் of a person, a place or thing in a class or a group, in a particular place or a group. Okay, and unlike proper nouns, இது வந்து ப்ராப்பர் நவுன் மாதிரி கிடையாது, சம்திங் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். என்ன விஷயத்தில் அப்படின்னா, அதோட பிகினிங் லெட்டர் கேபிட்டலாக இருக்காது. whereas in a proper noun you will be beginning that with the capital letter, right? So here you will not do so unless எப்போ வரைக்கும் with the whether it is if a sentence is beginning with a common noun, then the beginning letter of that sentence will be in capital, or the common noun is going to be a title, then the beginning letter will be in capital. Okay, so usually it will be quite obvious if a specific person, place or thing being named. Okay, then examples of common noun. Examples of common noun: car, drink, man, laptop, tree, woman, foot, weed, planet, cat, leg, sock, website, tea, mouse, ocean, state, biscuit, mountain, school, building and castle. Okay, so these are all common things, nothing is specific here. So common thing, so that is why they are called a common noun. Okay, they are called common nouns. Okay, what is a proper noun? The very word tells you what it is. Okay, a proper noun is a noun that identifies a single entity and is used to refer to that entity, such as London, Jupiter, John or Microsoft, as distinguished from a common noun, which is a noun that refers to a class of entities and may be used when referring to instances of a specific class. Proper noun enna? Proper noun is a noun that identifies a single entity. Okay, single, particular பேசுறது, and it is used to refer to that entity, such as London. London a particular city குறிக்கிறது, Jupiter a particular planet குறிக்கிறது, John a particular name of a boy குறிக்கிறது, so Microsoft particular name of computer software குறிக்கிறது. Okay, as distinguished from a common noun. Whereas common noun என்னது? காமனாக குறிக்கிறது, இது எல்லாமே ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்காக குறிக்கிறது, which is a noun that refers to a class of entities and may be used when referring to an instance of specific class. Okay, now examples of proper noun: Pepsi Cola, Germany, Agatha Christie, New York, Jim, Sydney, Dr. Morgan, Atlantic Ocean, September, particular month, Tom, particular name of a boy, Argentina, particular name of a country, Mercedes, Titanic, Dolly Crown, April, Russian, Central Park Zoo, Oreo, Simon, the president, Tuesday, particular day, Google. Okay, so these are the examples of proper noun. Thank you. We'll be seeing the abstract noun in our next video. Thank you. Bye.